Good morning everyone. Today I'm so excited. This is like early in the morning, 7:30, and I come to Fisherman market in Phuket. So this market is supposed to be one of the special market that if you come to Phuket, it's all like at the top, you need to come here. I'm very excited because in the back there's a fisherman boat, and this is where you get the fresh fish, fresh seafood out from the sea, and then they will go sell it over there. No price though, but I read the review was reasonable price, cheap for the fresh product you will get on the directly from the sea. So let's go and have a look. The fisherman is gonna come at 8, so we'll go and have a look. Over here seems to be like a market. I'm not sure, like market like breakfast or market like you can buy a meat and they cook for you, but it looked like more breakfast in the morning because here is near to the national park, so you can come here and have a sit, enjoy your breakfast. เป็นไงบ้างคะปลาหางแข็งปลาเสียด That's what the fish you got. Wow, so beautiful. Let's go have a look. โอ้โอ้หยิบเลยเหรอคะ
เต้มาเราไหวทั้งนั้นเลยเราไหวโอ้ย
Guys, I don't know what this one is. I'll get like 5. Ooh, I didn't see that fish.
กล้างเยอะนะ
Chicken มันอ๋อเหรอคะ
ใช่ค่ะมันต้องกันแบบที่
เอาไปกันชิ้นๆแล้วก็ไปทอดกระเทียมใช่ไหมคะshe said this one have so many bones
ปลาสวายค่ะปลาหวายไม่ใช่ปลาสวาย
ปลาหวายไม่ใช่ปลาสวายปลาหวาย
ปลาหวาย
ปลาหวายค่ะปลาหวายค่ะ
ปลาหวาย
นี่เรียมเข้ากล้องแล้ว
Okay I'll get this one
ไม่หลงเลย
อ๋อโอเค
เก่งแล้วทำให้ก็ได้
ทำให้เหรอคะโอเคค่ะ
เท่าไหร่คะแค่นี้เหรอ
ค่ะ
ทำให้ด้วยบ้านแม่875ดิบวก55 บาท
55 บาท
จ้ะหรือว่าเอาอีกไหม
55 baht. Now, this fish, we'll see how he make this fish. Oh, wow. Okay, so first just take the scalp out, the skin out, and now this take all the organ. Oh, wow. That's a gum bit.
ไปทอดนะ
เอาไปทอดจ้ะ This one fry, deep fry.
กันนั้นมันเนียน
โอ้ว้า
กันแบบนั้นก้างมันนั่นหมดเวลาไปทอดมันกรอบได้กินได้มาเลย
So this one for deep fry, you need to cut like to slide them very close to each other because they have so many bones. He's finishing up, and now we're gonna go cook. And this one is 600 baht, 150 baht per kilo. And I got from the local that this is very fresh. They haven't put it on the ice, directly from the sea. Let's go. Okay, we got the seat, guys. Okay, so back to our beautiful outdoor kitchen. I'm here on the beach, and we are going to cook deep fry fish with turmeric and salt, old style. This is how the Southern people eat it. This is like a local food. So what you need is a fish, any type of fish you prefer, the lemongrass, garlic, and turmeric. We got fresh turmeric. You can use the powder if you prefer, or other recipe at shallots, or you can just go with the old style with garlic and turmeric. So I marinate the salt, and I marinate the fish with the salt already. When you get the fish from the market, you prep, you clean it, you gut it, and then clean it with salt or vinegar until they get off that rid of the slimy things. And now we're gonna pat them dry. We're gonna make the herb first. So let me move that. We're gonna marinate the fish with all the herb first. This one is too thick. I'm just gonna get the white bit and then slide it into thin slice so it's easy to smash it. We're gonna marinate the fish with this herb first and then for like 15 minutes. Oh yeah, and pepper, that's what you need. So because outdoor kitchen, I got little one, so I use the powder one. We got lemongrass. You need to chop it very fine. Finely chop. Lemongrass is done, move on to the garlic. Finely chopped garlic. Use my body weight to do that. This is amazing, huh? Look at the view, guys. Chop lemongrass, chop garlic, and we're gonna get a little bit ginger. Ginger, we're gonna smash it in here. So let me slide it into little piece. Turmeric. Now slowly add everything in. A little bit by little bit and then smash them together. I need to upgrade this one though, outdoor kitchen. Smells so good. Look at that. This is so beautiful. Now I'm gonna mix this. Gently massage it. Massage the herb in. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, I'm gonna let it marinate. Meanwhile, we'll wait. I'm gonna heat the oil to medium heat until the oil is hot enough, and then we can fry our fish. Make sure you make sure you have a lot of oil in there because we need to fry this one until it's like crispy. Ready? Look at the spoon. Bubble. All right. We're gonna add our fish in, not our herb. Otherwise, before the fish is like cooked, the herb will burn. So just the fish. Scrape all most of the herb away, and then wish me luck. Alright, 1. Two. The last one. See you, mate. Okay. Rule number 1. If you want a good, beautiful golden fish, as soon as you drop it in, don't you dare touch it until it's cooked. Otherwise, it's gonna be like you're gonna get a smoosh fish. Give it like 15 to 20 minutes, depend on how heat the oil. You want to be like medium to medium heat. Just gently cook it, slowly cook it into like because this fish that we got have a lots of bone, so you need the bone to cook it with it too, so you can eat everything and like crispy. Shake it up. This one is like, oh yeah, this one is ready. Look at that. Look at that brown, guys. You need that. You need this color. We're gonna flip to the other side, like that. This one, give it a little bit more time. You won't believe what happened. Ice cream. Coconut ice cream. Wow. สองค่ะ
กะทิทั้งสองเลยนะคะ
จ้ะ I'm gonna go with the authentic one. Yummy. อร่อย Okay.
10 บาท
I'm gonna top with chocolate a little bit.
ช็อกโกแลตจะอร่อยนะคะทุกคนกินก็จะกรอบจ้ะ
Oh, now this one wants some. Look at that. ขอบคุณค่ะ Ooh, it's good chocolate too, not the bad one. Not burn, not burn. Turn the heat off. Nice and crispy. There you go. You want it to be like just like that. We put it on a side and we are gonna cook some herb. There you go. Remember the herb that we had? Now, put it on in the oil. Deep fry it. Cook this until it's like golden brown. Release that essential smell. And then you can topping with our fish. Okay, I'm gonna scoop it up. If you have like a proper metal thing to scoop the herb, that's amazing. I don't. So I'm gonna do like gently. All right, now taste. Gonna break the tail. Crispy fish, you can eat the whole thing. Can eat the bone, and it's supposed to be very crispy. Ready? Yummy. Good amount of salt. Let's try the herb. The turmeric. The turmeric have good taste. Then it's sweet. A little bit like spice. You know what you need with? Rice. Right. Okay, you got it. The local food from south of Thailand. If you like this type of video, cooking outdoor, going shopping in the market, don't forget to like and subscribe and more to come. Until next time, see you guys soon. Bye bye. Hey seafood lover, branch yourself for the next sensation adventure in our next video. We are hunting down the freshest seafood by the sea, all without breaking a bank. Ready for tasty journey? Smash that follow and subscribe button to join the fun. Click here to snack your spot. Want the full video drop? Let's dive into the flavor tales together. See you in the next video.